Hello everyone. So far we have learned the concept of mean, right? So where we are using so many methods to find the mean. So in general, I'll let me take a value that is for any given data, we can find the mean by using the formula sigma x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n for an ungrouped data. Right? So in this session, let me discuss one more type of mean. It is called as median. What we say? Yeah. One more type of average is called as median. So difference between mean and median is that suppose both are is to find the average value, but the difference is that median will be using to locate a average value. In the sense, suppose let me take one example: 3, 4, 6, 8, 5. Fine. So how do you find the mean of these value? You're going to add these values. So let me take this as 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5. So that will give us 26 divided by n values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 26 divided by 5 will give us 5.2. But in case of median, it will give you the average value based on the position. In the sense, it will divide the given data into two parts. Something like, suppose if you want to find the median of the same data, it will give the average value only. So median of the same data will be, we can calculate by using the formula like n plus 1 by 2th item or element, we can say. So n by 2th element or term. So n value is number of element here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2th term. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So third term we have to look for. So here the third term is 6. So median is, in this problem, median is 6, whereas mean is 5.2. So it will give us approximate value. Fine. So both are a kind of average, but median is that it will divide the given data into two parts. That is, it is upper part and it is lower part. So it will locate based on the positions. Fine. So to find the median, we have two formulas. That is for ungrouped data, where we have only x values, right? So for ungrouped data and grouped data, again in grouped data we have two, right? So one is discrete series, where we have only x values directly, and another is continuous. So continuous in the sense, class x values are given in terms of class interval. So to find the median of ungrouped data, it is n plus 1 by 2th item or 2th element or 2th term. Remember, since here 6 by 2 is third item, so it is third element, but 3 is not a median. Third element here is 6. So 6 is the median. Sometimes we denote the median as ME. So median is denoted by ME. So required median in this problem is 6, but it is not 3. Few of you are, what I can say is many of you making a mistake in writing a median, that they'll just directly write it as 3. So make sure that it is not 3. Instead, it is third element. You have to find a third element. 1, first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. So third element here is 6. So 6 is the required median for us. So it is an ungrouped data. To find the mean of ungrouped data, we use the formula n plus 1 by 2th term. Fine. So in case of grouped data, where x and f values are given, so discrete and continuous. Discrete in the sense, x and f values, x values will be given directly. In such case also we use n plus 1 by 2th element. But the difference is that here n value is number of element. Fine. So we are going to count the number of element in ungrouped data. Whereas in discrete series, n is the sum of the frequencies. As we are doing in case of arithmetic mean, harmonic, whatever the mean we have solved, there also we are using n as sum of the frequency. So in case of discrete series, n is sum of frequency, whereas it is for ungrouped data, it is n is number of element. Here we are going to add all the frequencies. Coming to the continuous series, it is very important. Continuous series, 5 mark question you will get. So in continuous series, what we are going to do is, we are going to calculate cumulative frequency. So while solving the problems, I'll explain the concept of cumulative frequency, but you just remember the formula. We are going to distribute the data based on a cumulative frequency. Here the median size will be, in this case median size is n plus 1 by 2. Here also median size is n plus 1 by 2th element. But in this case median size will be n by 2th term. And moreover, we use the formula to find the median is L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into H. So while solving the problems, I'll let you know the concept and all, but just remember the formula where L is the lower limit of a median class. Median class also I'll tell you while solving the problem. So N is the total sum of frequency. Remember, when we talk about group data, whether it is mean or median, group data in the sense capital N will always stand for sigma F. That is, we have to add all the values of F. Hope so it is clear for you. Fine. And H is the difference of the class interval. And as I already told you about the median class, but anyhow, while explaining the concept, I'll let you know. Remember, M is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So while explaining the problem, I'll let you know all these terms. You just remember the formula. It is for ungrouped data. Median size is n plus 1 by 2th element. For grouped data, you will get two terms, that is discrete and continuous. In case of discrete series, we use n plus 1 by 2th element, that is median size. Whereas in continuous series, median size will be n by 2 term. Further, we will make use of formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into h. So all these things will be explained while solving the problem. Now let me start with the initial concept, that is finding a median of a ungrouped data. Fine. So here is the problem. Find the median of the following data. Clearly it is an ungrouped data, right? So as I already told you, ungrouped data in the sense only x values are given. So here the problem given is 8, 20, 50, 25, 15, 30. So we have to find the median of the given data. First let me arrange whatever may be the problem given. We have to arrange it in a order. So let me arrange the given problem in particular order. So let me take the values as x. So initial I'm going to arrange it in ascending order. So 8, next is 15, next 20, next 25, next 30, next 50. Fine. So as I already told you, it is a ungrouped data. So median formula is given by, that is size of a median is size of, you just put the heading. I'll send you the notes introduction part median. So you write down the median introduction. After that, put the heading, find the median of the following data, that is ungrouped where only x values are given. First problem you write down and follow the steps that whatever I am solving here. So size of the median is given by, what is for ungrouped data, that is n plus 1 by 2th term. You have to write this compulsory, that is th term. Fine. So term you have to write. Now let me count the n value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So capital N value is given, it is 6 number of elements. Fine. So n is equal to 6. Substitute it. You will get 6 plus 1 by 2th term. That is, when you're going to simplify, you will get 7 by 2th term. 7 by 2th term is none other than 3.5th term. So now the doubt arises, how can we find 3.5th term? Now 3.5th term in the sense, you have to find third element. See here, 1, 2, 3. First you have to arrange the given data in ascending order. Remember, very important step is that first you have to arrange the given data in ascending order. If you're not going to arrange, then also you're not going to get proper answer. Fine. Now 3.5 in the sense, either third element is 20 and the fourth element is 25. Let me write the item number for the first problem. This is first element, second element, third element, fourth element and fifth element. And clearly 3.5th element will be in between third and fourth element. Fine. 3.5 fifth element or 3.5th term between 20 and 25. In the sense, it is in between third and fourth element. Fine. So I can write this as between 20 and 25. Fine. So I can write the median as, I have to add these two and divide it with 2. 20 plus 25 divided by 2. So you will get 45 by 2. It is given by 22.5. Therefore, the required median is 22.5. I am repeating once again. First step, we have to write the formula. Next, very important step here is, you have to arrange the given data in ascending order. Remember, ascending order you have to arrange, then write down the formula, then count the number of item given, that is n is equal to 6. Now substitute, you will get 3.5. 3.5th term is none other than, it will be in between third and fourth term. Fine. So you have to add those two terms and divide it with 2. So you will get the middle value. That will be the required median for you. Clear? So here is the second problem. First step, we have to, I am repeating once again, first step is that we have to arrange it in ascending order. Minimum element is 4, next 5, next 6, next 18, next 19. Anyhow in this problem it is more or less given, but it is not. So 26, next is 28, next 36, next 56, next 63. Now write down the size of a median. So size of median will be n plus, it is our ungrouped data, n plus 1 by 2th term. Now count the n value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n value is 10. Let me substitute 10 plus 1 by 2th term. It is 5.5. Right? 10 plus 1 is 11 by 2 is 5.5 5th term. So you have to look at 5.5th term. That is, it is first element. Next it is second element. Third element, so no need to write hope so. Fourth element, fifth element, sixth element. So 5.5th term will be in between 19 and 26. Fine. Element will be in between 19 and 26. So what I have to do is, let me write one statement so that you will understand. 5.5th element lies between 5th and 6th term. Fine. So 5th term is 19, 6th term is 26. So you have to add that and divide it with 2. That will give us required median. Fine. Median is, when you divide, you will get 22.5. So remember, I am repeating once again, you have to arrange the given term in ascending order and write down the formula since you are getting it in terms of fraction. So when I said 5.5, obviously it lies between 5 and 6. So you have to add 5th and 6th term and divide it with 2. So that will give you the answer. Hope so it is clear. Let me solve one more problem. Here is a problem. First step, we have to find a median here also. So first step, we have to arrange the given data in ascending order. It is 9, 10, 15, 19, 25. Next write down the median size. So median size is equal to, or size of median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. Fine. So n value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n value is 5. So it will be 5 plus 1 divided by 2th term. Now it is not the decimal, it is integer, right? So 6 by 2th term. 6 by 2th term is none other than third term. 3 is not an answer. You have to find the third term. 1, 2, 3. So third term will be 15. Therefore, the required median is 15. Here no need to add and divide anything. Why? Because we have obtained integer value, that is third term, right? So if you are going to get 3.5, in the sense 3 point lies between 3 and 4, then you have to add. So it is not the case here, it is third term, so I am going to write it as 15. Hope so it is clear. Now here I have given 3 problems. Please follow the same. First arrange it in ascending order, apply the formula and find out the mean, and let me know the solution. So these 3 problems are homework for you. What I have done is, I have arranged the given problem in ascending order, I have applied the formula, and here it is third term, so I have to write 15 here. Suppose if you are going to get 3.5 here, you have to add 3 and third and fourth term and divide it with 2. But here it is not the case, it is third element, so that is why median is 15. Now it is homework problem for you. Solve these 3 problems in notes only. Fine, and let me know the solution. So this is the median of ungrouped data.